Nigo chiaragire chinsa isano na ibere chamubaso ase biro bindengo koletera amaya ime Ndizi TV. Waigona gutonyora chinsa mochiri cha YouTube ase Ndizi TV News ase chinsa moche website na bagotonyora gwetera www.ndizitv.or.ke. Mwanche muligiri yango saba okwabera chinsa mochiri cha Facebook njibwate omochando mukigo korende etimi yeito negenderete kuligereria enganeyo na nechigokora ogonchere chinga kicho nigo omokonyi boyo kuriya ekirugo kyobora ibense madhakarua anyareko bagakumerana naba orokia ase chinsemo chiri chiaruaka ayo namange ninchigo komanya ase egekeri tariane Frida Kerubo ne chinsemo chibiorokerero nigo tochikonya kwato kubaterana nere Joshua Auta. Kigima oyo koronera ekiro kyobo governor ime county ya Kisii wetera ekiamagia Kenya National Congress oyo manyikante buna Manson Oyongo litukolera niganyare ko bagakumirana nabana boda ase abaenekeire buna nachigo ikerania amaganio anyare ko bagakoberera ase egeikaro batwara litukolera rero boigo niganyare ko bakagobasaba banyare ko bakomusira naboigo komochora buna omugavana we county ya Kisii chinga kechiga torigerereti obochore bonene
Evans Ototo, Nitalinde Matias, Nigondo mo chairman of Boda Kitutu Chache South, the association yete Koropunga Kitutu Central Sub-County Boda Association. Nigona akirenga biyamuna singi njiri tukulia lero. Nigo aso kurangiri wano mheshimiwa ito tenene kirogo kyobo governor, mheshimiwa Manson Oyongo. Otuwaliga nirintubu n'abagetutu boda ito yonsi abarai, otuwekira namangana twarorire namangana maya manifesto ya ebuna yesomire yo ya oro kiri obokonyo bonene ase county ito ya Kisii igazeri tukulia lero una twikira iga otogotebanga omweshimiwa Manson Oyongo korengana na amangana ye gose manifesto yaye igaisaine asogotogambera Kisii county.
Watigana nayo na gosikamutu oyo korigia ekirugo kyobora yobonene bwense wetera ekiamagia Roots Party oyo manyikante buna Professor George Wajakoya niganyare ko bakagweso kebona nagotabuna eretanya gonchoreria ase aiborete gose citizenship oigo niganyare ko bakagoteba nachi gotwara chingwana chabene nabamererania baye oyore William Ruto naboigo omosike Raila Odinga.
I've never changed my citizenship. These suckers ought to read, they ought just to go to a simple internet and Google. They're wasting their time writing to the British Embassy. Ruto, I will be with you on the ballot. Stop your supporters playing mayhem. You win, I support you. You lose, I win, you support me. I'm not directing this at you personally, but you are stupid supporters. And let me make it clear, if Ruto and Raila are not on presidential debate, I'm not going to waste my time debating with Waigo. What is his name? A guy who has a mental cut on his head, who is stalking me. He wants me to talk about him so that he can receive some kind of mileage. No, sir. I'm only going to debate Ruto and Raila.
Watigana nayo na gosikamutu omwanchi omulirira nigongo kubanyibuna obotenene libo berendi ase county ya Kakamega bano nigo yanyare ko bagekorosi egendo kera kiemetandao yekerero kera chikobwata amaliogi na boigo chingwa na chiranyare ko bachigoturubani omorembe boigo chinga kicho nigo banyare ko bakobasaba abana siasa korandia omorembe chinga kichiga siasa ya bwatirense na boigo gutatumeka abasaye bobe ase siasa chiabo.
Tumeonelea kwamba ni jukumu letu pia kuhamasisha umma ili watu waweke amani. Wenye wanapigania viti mbalimbali lazima pia wahubiri injili ya amani, na mtu yeyote ambao atapatikana ya kwamba amefuruga amani hiyo, basi sheria zifayo zitachukuliwa dhidi yake. Kwa hivyo ningependa kulaani wale ambao wangependa kufuruga amani wajue ya kwamba sheria iko.
Wakati huu ambapo tunaelekea uchaguzi, tunajua kuna mambo mengi. Vijana watatumika vibaya na wengi watatumia madawa ama pombe ili kulewa kipindukia, ili wanapofanya vituko hakuna mtu na hata watakuwa na hiyo uwezo ya kuelewa ni nini wanafanya, kwa sababu watakuwa intoxicated. So naomba hawa wasitumike na wasitumie hiyo madawa, na wawe sober minded na waelewe ya kwamba hii ni nchi yetu na kuna nchi nyingine ambaye tunapenda kuliko Kenya.
Omokonyi boyo koligia ekirugo kyobora yobonene bwense mathakarua litukolia rero imeyarwa kaniganyare ko bagakumirana naborokia elinde gukwanira gose koroberia chinchira banyare ko bakobeka elinde gukinya ebirengo bichisemi niganyare ko bagakobasaba aborokia okora emirimo yabo ase enchira endonge nabo igokoene kibuna banyarire ko babakorokereria ase emirimo yabo.
So we do have something in common, and teachers and women have something in common. Women raise their families, and then they hand them over to teachers in our schools, and the teachers raise the nation. So you do play a very critical role. You are the professionals that are to be found in every corner of our country. Where there is no other professional, there will be a teacher. And your voice in the community is very strong. When people cannot quite understand something, they will be asking each other, have you asked teacher so and so? So you do carry a lot of weight in everything that goes on in our country. And that is what we should remember when engaging teachers, that we are engaging a very enlightened group of people. Therefore, we should never be talking down. We should be engaging and hearing your views so that we are.
Koene kiwabuna teba ikiraneti emirimo banyate ko baba koewa echinga emirimo yabo asenchira endonge.
And so we would like to make sure that the Senate comes up as the upper house. That's the only way you can discharge fully your mandate. If you can actually take the responsibility as the upper house, where you can veto certain things and make it possible for people to refer the work from the National Assembly to the Senate.
The only thing we would like to do is to make sure that anything that is pending, which is good, is not left hanging. We have bills, we have motions that were not cleared, and we want to hand them over so that the staff can be the custodians, and going forward, they should be able to encourage the next Senate to continue with those matters.
We want to take the stock to check on the lesson learned and improve on some of the weaknesses that we thought could be. And therefore, this workshop, at the end of it, we wanted to come up with some blueprint that could be a guide to the fourth Senate that is coming in the next few months.
Omugavana we county ya Meru Kiraitu Murungi bonanigeso kiri na goteba buna obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja nigo bwegekire emeli ase chinsemecho na boigo obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza Alliance tigobo bochikonyara koba bokubaikera bonaniga tebire buna nabwate okwegena buna eserikali erachigoso ase obugambi ngwetera eserikali ya Azimio la Umoja.
We amini usiamini, Rais wa 5 atakuwa Raila Amolo Odinga. Na Deputy President, naibu wa rais, atakuwa Martha Wangari Karua. Atakuwa nani? Wangari Karua. Gavana wa Meru atakuwa nani? Nyinyi msijali. Serikali ambayo inaingia kwa national government itakuwa serikali ya Azimio, na hapa Meru serikali itakuwa ya Azimio.
Abamenyi b'ensemo ya Garissa nigo basabire gusira abasubati erinde ko ene kibuna banyareko bagosoa ase obugambi chinga kechiga torigerereti obochori obanene aya nigo agocha magega yige ikaro gya korekana ne kyombeke mogetari gya serikali nabo igo abatugi bechinseme cyo ase batebire buna bachiko ene kibuna abasubati banyareko bagosoa ase obugambi nabo igo kubara boigo nigo banyarako bagoteba abasubati bechinseme yo nigo banyareko bagochayo samatuka mange nabono tibali gochikonyara kwa bagwanchirana enganeyo nigo baratumike chinchera chansi erinde kwane kibuna omusubati onyare ko bagakwenyorera libagalia ya serikali.
Kina mama wakielimishwa, nadhani kila mama atapigania haki yake kisawa. So tunaomba serikali isaidie kina mama. Huko mishenani hawajui chochote, wanakaa tu hapo bila elimu. Ile kazi wanafanya, bwana akimwambia aende hivi siku ya vote atapotea tu, huyo mama hawezi kukasti hiyo vote yake. Na vote nyingi sana zile zinapotea ambaye hayakastiwi ni ya kina mama.
Yes, since independence sisi tumewachwa nyuma kwa sababu MPs tulikuwa tunachagua wanaume peke yao na wanawake walikuwa wananyimwa haki. To say the fact, sisi tumeona ya kwamba tuchague mwanamke as an MP because huyu mama she is a mother na anajua shida ya nyumbani.
Kwa mama hasa hata kwa dini ni hao ndio wanaeneza mzuri, na nimeona community yangu wana dhulumu wa mama kabisa. Moja, mzee hataki mama aende mahali anataka aende abort, anataka asikie amri yake tu. Amri ni ya mzee, anaambia mama tupite upande yangu, mama hana say. Na hata mama akisimama kuja kuleta maendeleo hasa community yangu wanamkataza na hawataki aende mambo ya siasa, siende alete maneno mazuri kwa sababu hiyo jina ndio hawataki. Wanataka kila kitu wanaume tu walete.
Mwanche omurigereria korwa asorobotiro nigo naikire omwelia bwa amaya sebirebiga kore nengo gosaba tobasagosika tobasakonyegera genda kubwatia emirobiri ndego cha ime Ndizi TV obonabo obwansu bomugosi ase chinsemo chibyorokererio tonyakota kubwaterana nere Joshua Auta erietaria ne Frida Kerubo kukoganiria omubaso omuya.